Good morning, LC people. My good friend here, Julian Pugsley, he's come over from Derby to help me today. If any of you guys are in the air-cooled forums, you will know of Julian, or you will have heard of him. He's been doing the things. I think he's had a bit of an hiatus from the situation for a little while, and now he's finding himself a man of leisure, a bit more like Dave. So yeah, we're getting back to his roots from 40 odd pissing years ago, working with bikes again. Anyway, I'm rabbiting again. I won't talk about this thing. It's a job for another day. Right, my good friend Steve Pallant brought this Candy Blue bike up the other day. If you go in Stafford, you'll see him. I'm sure you might see me on his stand. Good friend of mine. Anyway, at the minute we've got stuff to put on these wheels. We just put the sprocket on there. We've got to rebuild up the brake plate for it, disc on the front wheel, that kind of stuff. So we've got several bits and pieces out here. Brought the frame out here. I've got a new locking bit to go in. The plates go on the front. The usual bits, they'll go on. The usual patina that goes on these things. It's been freshly all cleaned up. You know, back mud guard, spring, swing arm, centre stand, yokes, forks, wheels, blah blah blah. All of a sudden, bang, we'll have a rolling chassis by the time the day's out. So yeah, there's plenty of bits and pieces lying about here all over the place. But we'll be cracking on. Centre stand, other bits and pieces and plastics and boxes and you name it, it's here. But keep watching, because I no doubt I'll video again before the day's out. This is what we're about. Hopefully we haven't got to chase out any of the threads on this frame, but we will soon find out. They look pretty good, to be fair. Steve's done an excellent job of bagging everything up, labelling everything, and it was just for me yesterday to get all the parts together out of the various boxes for the rebuild on the frame to get the rolling chassis together. That's all I can tell you for now, and I'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching. Dilly dilly.
Dilly dilly.